I'll guide you through joining the Bilibili Creator Hub and posting your first video in just a few simple steps. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Bilibili's Creator Hub makes it easier than ever for global creators to share content, track channel analytics, and reach millions of new viewers worldwide. To get started, visit the official website at studio.bilibili.tv on your desktop browser or open the Bilibili app and tap the Me Profile section. Click Register or log in to create your account. You can instantly sign up using your international phone number, email address, or third-party social accounts like Google or Facebook without needing complex identity verification. Once logged in, set up your creator profile by uploading a high-resolution avatar picture, adding a custom banner, and filling in your channel bio. Navigate to the Creator Center dashboard where you can manage your uploaded manuscripts, track daily video views, check subscriber demographics, and view audience engagement like Danmaku bullet comments. Next is to publish your content. We have a dedicated video that will walk you through the easy process. Click here to watch it. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.